There is always a controversy among the people of Delhi and Uttar Pradesh over the place of origin of chole bhature. Whatever, India's famous street food chole bhature is here. Hello everyone, it's Mady and today's recipe is chole bhature. I have already uploaded a video for the recipe of masala chole, which is super tasty, healthy and easy to make. Let's begin with the recipe of bhature. Into a bowl I am adding in 2 cups of whole wheat flour or atta. It's about 400 gram of flour, and then add in a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, also adding in 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Mix it really well, and then I am adding in 1 tablespoon of refined oil. Mix it nicely for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add in half cup of fresh curd to make soft and fluffy bhatures. Give it a good mix. Now adding warm water in small proportion. Knead a soft dough. Do not skip any of the step to make soft and puffy bhatures. You can see it's soft enough. Now cover and keep it aside to rest for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour of resting time, the dough has turned more soft and puffy. As you can see, my fingers are easily getting into the dough. Now make medium-sized balls out of the dough. Out of 400 grams of flour, you can make at least 15 to 16 bhatures at a time. Now take a medium-sized ball, nicely coat it with flour, and using a rolling pin, roll it out into a oval or round shaped bhature. To have perfectly shaped bhature, do not skip this step. To roll it with a soft hand, you can coat it with some more flour if required. Once the rolling is done, be sure to dust off the excess flour before frying, otherwise the oil would turn dirty and black. For convenience, try to roll out 3 to 4 bhatures at a time before frying. For frying, take a heavy bottom pan, add in mustard oil and refined oil in equal proportion. Once the oil gets heated, carefully place the bhature into the hot oil and fry it on medium flame. Oil shouldn't be too hot or too cold, otherwise the bhature won't get puffed up nicely. As you can see, it has nicely puffed up. Flip it and fry it till golden. I always use minimum oil for frying, as frying into the same oil again and again deteriorates its quality. Similarly, I will fry all the bhatures on medium flame. You can see my bhatures are nicely puffed up. For the perfect crispiness, try to fry it till golden. It takes just 2 minutes to fry each of the bhature. Do fry it with all your patience and the result would be just awesome. Now all my bhatures are done and it is ready to serve. For best taste, to serve it with chole masala. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. I'll be eagerly waiting for your messages. See you in my next episode with another recipe. Till then, stay fit and stay healthy. And yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for new video updates. Bye bye.